What nature means to me. Nature gives us food just like my chickens give us eggs that we can sell for money. My goats like to explore just like where they came from. When he tries to bite your hand, oh no, he's just giving kisses. His name is Tuck. He is my best friend in the whole world. I don't know what I would do without him. He is always there for me when I need a friend, and he's also a great pal. Yeah, post surgery, he's had a rough day today, so I'm just trying to spend some quality time to make him feel better. Yeah. These are my goats. They don't give us anything, unlike our chickens, but they're really cool to watch because they always seem to be enjoying life and living life to the fullest. They are just living life one day at a time, enjoying the sun in this picture shown above. They kind of remind me of dogs. They are always there waiting for you when you get home. Another thing I like about nature is maple sugaring. I've just started getting into it, but it's really cool and really entertaining.